Alright, this is the perfect place to draw it. What are we talking about again? Oh yeah, the saber-toothed cat, Smilodon. For many long years, Smilodon has been one of the most powerful and one of the really bravest and kind of a big hit for the prehistory lineup. These beings have been around since, well, the Pleistocene. They have been known to be fast, cunning, have powerful claws, and they have a worn spot for their cubs. There's even a Smilodon known as Half-Tooth, which was a big hit back in the old days. Anyways, it's unpredictable what Smilodon will look like. That's why I'm drawing this. And there. Done. That is how you draw Smilodon. Kind of fast if you ask me. Anyway, that's just part of the Walking with Dinosaurs playlist. Smilodon are powerful. They have been around for centuries. I'm proud to add this one to the list.